Hello everyone. Whether you know much about the nutrition or not, you have probably heard that protein is very important. It's usually explained in a way that protein builds muscle, which is true, but it's only a small part of the picture. In reality, protein is involved almost every process happening inside your body. So if you only see it as a muscle food, you are missing most of its role. So let's break it down what protein does in a simple and real way. Your body is constantly breaking down and rebuilding itself. And training makes this process just more noticeable. When you train, your muscle fibers get small amount of damage. And protein provides amino acids to repair this damage. Over time, this process leads to stronger and more developed muscles. And it's not only about the muscles, it's also about skin, hair, and other tissues. A lot of what happens inside our body depends on enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions, things like digestion, energy production, and cell repair. Without enzymes, these processes would still exist, but far too slowly to support normal function. Some proteins give your body structure. For example, collagen supports your joints, tendons, and ligaments, while keratin supports your skin, hair, and nails. So protein is not only about activity, it's also about structure and stability. Some hormones in your body are protein-based. These hormones helps your body to regulate how it uses energy, how it manages energy, and how it recovers. A good example is insulin. So after you eat, insulin helps to move glucose from your blood to the cells that your body can use it as energy. Proteins also help move important substances around your body. Hemoglobin, which is itself a protein, carries oxygen through your blood from your lungs to your tissues. And other proteins control what enters and leaves your cells, keeping your internal environment stable. Your immune system depends on proteins. Antibodies are proteins that identify and help to fight bacteria and viruses. If your protein intake is low, your body will be less effective at defending itself. Protein also affects how you feel during the day. It keeps you full longer and gives you stable energy between meals. That's why low protein diets often lead to hunger, cravings, and unstable energy. So protein is not only about the muscle building, it's also about recovery, hormones, structure, immune system, and how stable your energy is. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.